Is that old potting soil destined for the trash, or can you squeeze another season out of it? The answer might surprise you, and it could save you a bundle of money. Gardening can be an expensive hobby, especially when you're constantly buying fresh potting soil for your container plants. It feels like a significant investment, right? You want your plants to flourish, and good potting soil is key. But as winter approaches and you're tidying up your garden, dealing with dead plants, that pile of used potting soil starts to look like a waste. So, the big question is, can you reuse it next year? The short answer is, probably not, at least not without some effort. But here's where it gets controversial. Some gardeners swear by reusing potting soil with great success, while others consider it a cardinal sin. Why the disagreement? Let's delve into the details. Generally speaking, expecting potting soil to perform well for 2 consecutive years is unrealistic. Think of it like this: potting soil is designed to deliver a concentrated dose of nutrients to your plants over a period of about 6 months. It's like a multivitamin for your plants. It's packed with goodies that promote robust growth and overall health. But, and this is a big but, once your plant has devoured all those nutrients, the soil is essentially depleted. Reusing it without replenishing those nutrients is like trying to run a marathon on an empty stomach. Your plants simply won't thrive. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the nutrients. Over time, potting soil becomes compacted and filled with the decaying roots of previous plants. Imagine trying to plant new seeds in a tangled mess of old roots. It's not exactly an ideal environment. There's less space for new roots to grow, and the soil's ability to drain properly is compromised. Now, before you resign yourself to buying new potting soil every year, there's a glimmer of hope. You can try a few tricks to extend its life. But remember, never, ever use soil directly from your garden in containers. I know it's tempting, but garden soil is far too dense for container plants. Their delicate roots struggle to penetrate the heavy soil, leading to stunted growth and unhappy plants. It's one of the biggest mistakes beginner gardeners make. So, how can you reuse potting soil? The 50-50 method could be your answer. The 50-50ths method involves sifting through your used potting soil to remove any remaining roots, dead leaves, or other debris. Then, you mix it with an equal amount of fresh potting soil. This replenishes the lost nutrients and improves the soil's texture. It's like giving your old soil a much-needed boost. Important note, this method only works if the original plant was healthy. Never reuse soil that housed a diseased or pest-infested plant. You risk transferring those problems to your new plants. It's better to be safe than sorry. Another tip is to buy potting soil in bulk. You know you're going to need it eventually, so why not take advantage of bulk discounts? If you have the storage space, buying a large bag of potting soil can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Just be mindful of delivery costs if you can't transport it yourself. Finally, consider filling the bottom of your large containers with recycled materials. Your plants only need about 12 inches of soil to establish their roots. Instead of filling the entire container with potting soil, use recycled materials like plastic bottles, aluminum cans, or milk cartons to take up space. Just be sure to cover the recycled materials with a layer of landscape fabric to prevent the potting soil from falling into the cracks. So, there you have it. While you can't reuse potting soil indefinitely, you can extend its life with a few simple tricks. Now, I'm curious, have you tried reusing potting soil? What methods have you found to be successful or unsuccessful? Share your experiences in the comments below. Do you think the 50-50 method is worth the effort, or is it better to just start fresh each year? Let's get a discussion going.